This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Cindy Caskey. Well-maintained home in Lynnhaven Colony with unlimited Lynnhaven River access boat ramp for a small yearly fee. Desirable Lynnhaven Colony neighborhood, only a few blocks to the Chesapeake Bay, 2 blocks to the bike trail to the oceanfront, 2 blocks to several popular restaurants and markets. Top schools and prime location on a wooded hill. Home has 3 bedrooms up and another room that can be used as a bedroom/studio/office in the downstairs/basement, which is a 420 square feet for recreation, storage, studio with separate entrance. Oak flooring under the carpet in the hallway and 3 bedrooms. A screened-in porch set in the trees with cool breeze. Hot and cold outside shower for after the beach. No flood insurance required. For more information, review the details below.